Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question. X raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power 2048 and from this given equation we will find the value of x. So let's start. From right hand side we have 2 raised to the power 2048. So we can write 2048 as 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2 1 times 2, 2 0 times 0, 2 2 times 4 and 2 4 times 8. So we know that a raised to the power mn is equal to a raised to the power m whole power n. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 and its whole power 1024. So from here it will become 2 raised to the power 2 is 4 and its power 1024. Now again 4 raised to the power 1024 can be written as 2 multiplied by 512. 2 5 times 10, 10, 2 1 times 2 and 2 2 times 4. And again we will apply this exponential rule. So it will become 4 raised to the power 2 and its whole power 512. So 4 squares means 16 and its whole power 512. So again it can be written as 16 raised to the power 512 can be written as 2 multiplied by 256. 2 2 times 4, 1 is carry, 2 5 times 10 and 2 6 times 12. So it will become 16 square by this exponential rule and 256 here. So it will become 16 square is 256 raised to the power 256. So we have given equation x raised to the power x which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2048. So it will become x raised to the power x and 2 raised to the power 2048 will become 256 raised to the power 256. Now you can see here x has power itself and 256 has power itself. So when we will compare both sides, so we will get the value of x which is equal to 256. So hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.